In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a team member section to your Wix website. This process is essential for making your audience or customers familiar with who is behind your projects or services. First, you need to go to the Wix editor of your site. This is the platform where you have access to edit and customize every aspect of your web page. By logging into your Wix account and navigating to your website control panel, you can easily access the Wix editor. Next, direct your attention towards the left corner of the screen. Here, you'll find an Add section option. This feature allows you to add various sections to your site with ease. Without further ado, go ahead and click on it. This action will open up a variety of options for sections you can potentially add to your website. Among these options, you'll find the Team category. This is the section specifically designed to reveal the faces and roles behind your project or business. As you spot the Team option, go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to a new interface where you can customize and create your Team section. Upon clicking on the Team option, you will be presented with multiple template choices. Every template is designed to present your team members in a unique style, whether it is formal, casual, artistic, or minimalistic. Take some time to browse through these templates, paying attention to each one's design features. Once you've decided which template best suits your website aesthetic and your team's personality, you can simply drag and drop the chosen template to your Wix site. Now comes the part where you get to personalize this section. Once the section is added to your site, you can customize every detail by clicking on each specific person's section. Here, you can alter their name, picture, and position. This allows you to accurately represent each member's role and identity within your team, making your website more personal, credible, and engaging to visitors. By following these simple steps, creating a team member section on your Wix website will be a breeze. Remember, the goal is to provide valuable information to your audience, so don't hesitate to take your time in ensuring every detail presents your team accurately